In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Elementor, a fantastic tool that can really enhance your website building experience. Elementor is known for its versatility and ease of use, making it one of the most popular page builders out there for WordPress users. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log in to your WordPress admin account. This is where all the magic happens on your WordPress site, giving you access to your dashboard, plugins, themes, and more. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see various options for managing your website. Click on Plugins, and from there, select Add New. This is where you can find a wide variety of plugins to add functionality and features to your site. In the Add Plugins section, you'll notice a search bar located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to finding almost any plugin you need. Go ahead and type Elementor Website Builder in this search field. As you type, you'll see a list of plugins start to appear. Pay close attention to the results and look for the one with the recognizable pink E logo by Elementor. This logo is your signal that you found the right plugin. Once you've identified the correct Elementor plugin, the next step is to install it. You'll see a blue button labeled Install Now next to the plugin's name. Click this button to start the installation process. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin for you, which usually takes just a few moments. Once this is done, stay on that same page because you're not quite finished yet. After the installation completes, the Install Now button will change to say Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable Elementor on your site. Once activated, Elementor starts working its magic, and you can immediately begin using it to build and customize your web pages. Now that Elementor is up and running, you have the freedom to explore and utilize its powerful features. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can create stunning page designs without needing to write a single line of code. It's that simple and intuitive, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned web designers. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and activated Elementor on your WordPress site. You're all set to start crafting beautiful, responsive pages tailored to your needs. Enjoy exploring all that Elementor has to offer, and most importantly, have fun building your dream website.